The cryptocurrency space is full of nothing but good news right now, and man, it's got me excited. Why? Because the potential is through the roof. Retail investors aren't even getting involved yet, and when they do, the smaller tokens, not things like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but things like Shiba Inu coin, Dogecoin, and some of the new meme coins that are coming out, those are going to rocket higher. Now guys, let's take a look at some of the headlines that are being posted in terms of cryptocurrency news right now. And then we're going to be touching on one of the tokens that I think could it could soar over the coming weeks and months as it launches, because it really hits home with the current investor base in the cryptocurrency space, and that is Play Doge. But before we get into that, I do want to talk about the headlines. You can see here that the SEC's ruling on Ethereum ETFs could make a historic shift in cryptocurrency investing. Absolutely. With the SEC kind of embracing and allowing these ETFs out there, the amount of people and the amount of institutions flowing into Ethereum could really spark this kind of new era in crypto investing. Ethereum ETF excitement, Ethereum futures might tell a different story. Billionaires are buying this cryptocurrency ETF that could soar 1,050%. Oh man, billionaires are buying into the cryptocurrency space. Now that doesn't, retail investors aren't billionaires, right? But billionaires are buying into the cryptocurrency space. Crypto market prediction, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins set for a massive bull run. Bitcoin short-term holders increase holdings by over 1 million Bitcoin in 6 months. People are jumping into Bitcoin because of the Bitcoin ETF approval. Now, I want to focus on this one in a second here, but I agree with this guy as well. Cryptocurrency shouldn't be a partisan issue. Novogratz says, well, dude, clearly. It should just be well embraced by both sides of the political party here in the United States and all over the world. It is innovative. Make it safe. Embrace it. Allow for the growth. But everything's got to be a political discussion, right? Now, check this out here. Coinbase launches smart wallets in bid to simplify cryptocurrency onboarding. Now, let's talk about that, because Coinbase is creating these new smart wallets because a lot of people have some trouble when it comes to understanding the DeFi world or the decentralized finance world. It is very easy to sign up for Coinbase and to only buy the coins that are available on Coinbase, right? You scroll through, you can see your list. You click the buy button and you click the sell button. You click the buy button and you click the sell button. A very simple process. DeFi can be a little bit harder. Buying these pre-sale tokens, you got to figure out how to find a wallet. You got to connect the wallet. You got to make sure that you remember your 12-word password. It seems to be a little complicated. Connecting to a decentralized exchange, selling those tokens, buying those tokens. There's a lot of different moving parts and moving steps. But this is where the real money is at. Sure, by the time something is listed on Coinbase, it might have a couple $1 billion valuation, and it might be a little safer than something like a Play Doge pre-sale. But you're not going to ride it from $10 million to $1 billion after it's listed on Coinbase. So hopefully what we see with that article that we looked at here, hopefully we see an onboarding of retail investors into the DeFi world, understanding cryptocurrency a little bit better so that they can make a lot more money. Guys, the Play Doge pre-sale right here, right? The Play Doge pre-sale, just in the first couple of days, this launched at the beginning of June, and it's already done $2.3 million in sales. It's closing in fast on this price increase here, where you're going to see $2.5 million in sales. Now, guys, honestly, it's going to reach this price point before the next day in 23 hours. So this timer is going to update very quickly. And you have a decision to make. Are you going to get in at the earlier stages of this pre-sale and take advantage of 40 total stages, 40 total price increases before Play Doge launches? Or, of course, do you value your time a little bit more and your liquidity a little bit more, and you're going to wait? Now, if you wait, you're going to forego those 40 price increases and the nice pad that creates on launch day. If you get in now, well, your money's going to be locked up. It's not going to be liquid, but you're going to have a better price than what those who wait do. So after you find yourself interested in buying, please make sure to utilize the official affiliate link that's in the description below. You're going to click Connect Wallet, and you're going to decide, I want to buy 10 BNB worth. You're going to be walking away with 1.34 million Doge, Play Doge here. Now, 1.34 million Play Doge at half a penny. You guys can do the math. If it goes up to a penny, to 10 cents, to $1, and beyond. And if that happens, a lot of people who get into this pre-sale early are going to be making ridiculous amounts of money. So what is it that you're buying here? You would be buying into a play-to-earn game, a Tamagotchi-style play-to-earn game where you can, of course, pet and feed and water and entertain your Doge. And as you do, you are going to be earning Play Doge tokens. On top of that, you've got these little retro arcade style games. And this app is going to be developed, and it's going to be in the minigame beta stage after launch. So after the launch of Play Doge here, hopefully shortly after, you're going to be able to play the beta version of this game. Now guys, whether or not the game comes out immediately, one thing you notice as you scroll through, 90s nostalgia. The vast majority of cryptocurrency investors are people between the ages of really 25 to 40. People who are going to be hit by this 90s nostalgia and want to buy in. And that's why Play Doge is selling out so quickly. It's got a lot of people very excited. Not only about how high it can go in price, but the app, the game that they are building here, the play-to-earn style, the ability to relive their childhood, but get paid to play and relive their childhood. So if you do decide to buy into Play Doge, you need to understand that this is on the BNB blockchain. You can buy in with Ethereum, but you're going to be able to claim on the BNB blockchain. You have to remember that claiming will be on the BNB blockchain. So from there, if you want to earn additional rewards and you're not necessarily concerned with trading on launch day, you can earn 125% annualized interest simply by staking your Play Doge. Now, that is a dynamic rate, which means that as more people stake their Play Doge, this number is going to come down. And if you wait, the longer you wait, the lower the percentage of I guess, returns you're going to see in your Play Doge if you decide to do that there. So waiting might have its benefits in the sense that you stay liquid longer. But it certainly has its drawbacks. And the earlier you decide to get in, the higher you're going to see their launch price from your current buy price. Because, of course, you're going to take advantage of all 40 price stages. The earlier you decide to stake, if that's the direction you want to go, the more rewards you are going to earn. So full disclosure, guys, I have bought into Play Doge. I am very excited about this one. It is selling out ridiculously fast. And if we combine that with the fact that it's nothing but good news right now, and retail investors might be soon pouring back into the cryptocurrency space, Play Doge might absolutely rip higher. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.